What's up? Today I want to try my luck at fast beatboxing. So when I say fast beatbox, I mean how many different sounds a beatboxer can do in 1 second. And when I say different sounds, I don't mean or like rolling something. I mean putting different sounds in a row. For example, 3 sounds or 6 sounds. So in 1 second, I'm going to try to do 24 sounds. And the pattern is, I have it written in the title over. It's 24 sounds. Okay? Alright. So I'm going to try to do this in 1 second, or maybe less. Who knows? So I have my timer here, and let's make a test so I can prove that the timer is correct. I made 1 sound and it said 75 milliseconds. Let's reset it. Start it again. Timer, normal timer. Alright, so let's try. So as I said before, it says in the title, 24 different sounds. Alright, so I got my timer ready. Let's give it a try. So that's 24 sounds in less than a second. As you can see, 0.95. Let me try it one more time. What is that? 0.93. So that's my attempt, guys. 24 different beatbox sounds in close to a second.